Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So Apple finally completed their last event for this year and now their rumor mill has been shifted towards the next year iPhone 13 model. Basically, two new leaks has been surfaced online courtesy to Mi Cheng Kao, who is also a credible leaker for the iPhones, and also a Ross Young who has given information for the next year of iPhone 13 models. According to Kao, the iPhone 13 will come with the same 4 model sizes as this year iPhone 12 but with some major improvements to the camera technology. Specifically, Kao sees that the ultra-wide cameras on the two high-end models will be significantly upgraded to f1.8 with a 6p lens with autofocus support. All the current models which are currently available in the iPhone 12 are equipped with f2.4 5p ultra-wide cameras with a fixed focus. Another leak which is coming from the Ross Young, he has also pointed out that the next year iPhone is going to be coming with a pretty much similar design that we have already seen in iPhone 12. Maybe we can see a smaller notch on the front of the device, but that hasn't been expected yet since it's an early leak. Also, Ross Young has pointed out that the next year iPhone 13 models are going to be coming with 120Hz of a ProMotion display inside the next year iPhone 13 models, and I personally think that this is going to be happening in the Pro models than the base models of iPhone 13. But anyhow, panel which is going to be used inside the iPhone 13 series is going to be LPTO OLED panel, which basically means that the 120Hz of refresh rate is going to be dynamically changing from 1Hz to 120Hz, as we have already seen that panel inside the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So if that thing is going to be implemented inside the iPhone 13 series, then there is a question arises that how is going to be the battery life will be hit with this kind of ProMotion and the 5G technology that has been implemented inside. I think that there are going to be few factors which are keep noting inside, because the LTPO technology is basically using the low powered OLED panel and it is going to be a dynamically changing from 1Hz to 120Hz, which means that whenever you need 120Hz of refresh rate with any kind of applications, it will automatically jump to 120Hz of refresh rate, and when you are not performing any task, it is going to be lower to 1Hz. This is the one factor. The second factor is going to be the 5G. Well, you have already seen in the iPhone 12 series that there is going to be a smart data mode which is going to be helping you out in order to maximize your battery capacity. Also, the 5nm chipset which is going to be introduced this year, the next year chipset is also going to be developed in the 5nm architecture, and this is going to be helping out in order to reduce the battery capacity. So lastly is going to be the launch date of the upcoming iPhone 13 series. The South Korean media, the ALEC, has shared information about the OLED panels. This time around, the Apple is going to be looking towards the LG, and also LG is upgrading their technologies in order to maximize their production for the LTPO technology. So we are expecting that this time around Apple may be going towards instead of Samsung. So guys, these are some of the leaks which are coming for the iPhone 13 series. Although these leaks are coming from reliable sources, but still these leaks are early right now. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the upcoming iPhone 13 series in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.